Hello! Are you planning to go on vacation to New York City and enjoy everything you can there? Have you already thought about there? Have you already thought about going to see the biggest monument in the United States? The Statue of Liberty is a good option if you want to know a little more about the story or if you just want to see an interesting place. Would you like to visit one of the most visited places in New York? Would you like to go a little further and enter it? Or are you content to see it from far away? The Statue of Liberty was a gift from the French people to the American people in 1986 to commemorate the centennial of the Declaration of Independence of the United States as a sign of friendship between the two nations. It was unveiled in October 28, in the presence of the American president of the time, Grover Cleveland. Today, it receives around 3.5 million people a year and is one of the world's most recognized icons. Today, Liberty Island, where the statue is located, is federal property since the state of New York and New Jersey dispute its government because it's close to the border of the two states. If you would like to live the complete experience around the Statue of Liberty, there's only one way to enter the Hudson River up to Liberty Island, and that is on a cruise offered only by state cruises. You can see it in the image. You can also take the advantage and enter in Ellis Island, which is very close to Liberty Island and also create a story to tell and houses a great museum on immigration that you definitely have to visit. The ride takes about 30 minutes on the boat, plus as much time as you want to spend in the sites. On the map, you can see the route that I recommend to you to follow, in which you will have a wonderful experience.